magical puppy. He's the puppy for you. He wears a magical collar to make his wishes come true. Merlin, Merlin, won't you come out to play? Merlin, Merlin, you're only a wish away. Merlin, the magical puppy, he's the puppy for you. He wears a magical collar to make all his wishes come true.
Today is Ernie's day off. He's been shopping and bought himself a special present. There, that should do it. Lovely. This is an original painting, Merlin, by a famous artist. It cost me quite a lot of money, but I have to say, it's worth every penny.
It's a picture of a boat, a boring old boat. Now, if it were a picture of a dog, then that would be far more interesting.
It reminds me of my days at sea. Quite lifelike, I think.
I could paint better than that.
You know what, Merlin? I think the light in this room is too dark. I think I may have to find a brighter bulb so that my picture is shown off properly.
I could be a great artist. I'm sure I'd be famous. I could use my magic collar. Now, let me see. How do I make it work? Maybe if I concentrate really hard. Make me a famous artist now! That didn't work. I wonder what will happen if I chase my tail. Make me a famous artist now! Oh, that didn't work either. I wish I could be a famous artist.
As soon as Merlin says the magic wish word...
It worked! I am an artist. A perfect masterpiece.
Oh, Merlin, that looks really, really nice.
I'm going to call it The Tree.
That's a great title. Oh, no! I think it's going to rain. Quickly, Merlin, let's shelter.
Oh, no, I forgot my painting. It'll be soaked.
Don't worry, Merlin. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Oh, no, look.
It still looks kind of nice.
Nice? It's ruined. Oh, well, I'll have to try something else. Nearly done. Now this really is a masterpiece.
Oh, hurry up and finish, Merlin. I'm getting really stiff standing here.
Finished. You can come and look now.
Well, well, well. I have to say you've done a wonderful job, Merlin. It looks just like me, except you have made my tummy rather big.
Oh, don't touch it. It's still wet. Oh, no.
Oh, dear. I am sorry. How clumsy.
Oh, no. It's completely ruined.
Oh, dear. I think it's a bit squashed.
I'm going to have to try something else now. Remember to stay still. OK, here we go.
I don't like cake.
Well, you don't have to eat the cake. I just want you to stand by it and pretend it's your birthday. I'm going to take a very artistic photograph of you, and it'll be in all the magazines. You'll be famous.
Oh, OK. What do I do?
Just stand and look at the cake as if it was a big birthday surprise.
Hurry up, Merlin.
Remember to stay still. OK, here we go.
Hi, Merlin. What are you up to? What a strange cake.
I'm not a cake. I'm an hedgehog.
I can't believe it. You ruined my photograph.
Sorry, Merlin.
I don't like cake.
At last! This is a true masterpiece. But I have to make sure it doesn't get ruined like all the others.
Oh, there you are, Merlin. I wanted to let you know that we're having an exhibition tomorrow to show off paintings and sculptures created by local people. We'd be very pleased if you would allow us to show off your work.
Yeah, sorry, do you mind not standing on my painting, please? Be quite careful.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. I would love to show off my work at your exhibition. Thank you. After all, there's no point in being a great artist if you can't show off your work.
That's settled then. I'll come by later to pick up your work.
Great. This is my chance to become really famous. Maybe I'll get some more paint and just add a few bits to this painting to make it really, really good.
Now where is that mutton-headed Merlin? Oh dear, he doesn't seem to be having much luck. I could do better myself. Merlin!
Oh, no, you're standing on my painting.
Oh yes, so I am. It's made my paws all sticky.
Oh, never mind your sticky paws. What about my painting? It's ruined.
Well, you could always paint me. People love pictures of cats.
I'm not painting a cat. Clear off. Go on.
Go on, clear off. Don't come back, you big cat.
Oh, no. All of my work is ruined. What am I going to show at the exhibition? I'll never be a famous artist now. It's no use. I shall never be a great artist.
Oh, Merlin, there you are. Come quickly. I've just been to the art competition. You have to come and see it.
I don't want to. All of my work got ruined. I don't want to go and look at everyone else's work.
Oh, please come, Merlin. I think you're going to like it. Please, for me.
OK.
Such a unique style.
Such a vivid imagination.
An outstanding and original artist. See, Merlin? They just love your work.
But it's all ruined. How can they like it?
People like all kinds of art, Merlin.
So, I might be a famous artist after all?
Ladies and gentlemen, I think you'll agree that the standard of art seen today has been very high indeed. It has not been easy to choose a winner, but all the judges have now agreed. The winner is... wait for it... The Cat. A self-portrait by Oscar Deschamps.
Oh, no, I don't believe it. A cat? I hate cats. In fact, I hate being an artist. I wish I was back home.
As soon as Merlin says the magic wish word,
I made it. No cats, that's more like it.
I thought we might have a spot of lunch, Merlin. Here you go, your favourite.
Now that is what I call a work of art.